Hi students, this is Roslyn Diana, Assistant Professor, CSE Department. Our subject title is Software Development Practices. We are going to do an activity, pedagogy activity, pick and play activity. Here we are having some project titles. You have to select any one title. Our first title is, you have the web page with the world's most powerful and easy to use APIs. This web page should be designed. Second web page you can see here, you have to have an image and the heading tags and the paragraph tags should be there. And another web page, this page should have a style Indian cricket is the heading, and other images you have to display. Fourth one is a login page of a website. Fifth one is an animation project. Sixth one is friends book. So here we have a list of table values. That is the seventh project. Eighth one is again you will have list of boxes with you have to select a button. Option using button. So we have another one, ninth option. I want one student to select a particular card. Say yes.
Ma'am, myself, Nitish.
Yes, Nitish.
I'll select a fourth card, ma'am.
Okay.
Login page.
Okay, I'll stop sharing. You share the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is the screen visible? Ma'am, myself, Nitish Kumar. I'm going to explain about a program on HTML web page, designing login web page. I will say about the description of this project. In this project, I will explain about designing of a web page using HTML. In this web page, you will have a login form and where created with the input text box and submit button. We also you used tags like break tag and center tag, form tag to design this web page. And in this slide, you can see that expected output, what should we show for what that we should code. And this is the page for coding, how we should code for that expected output. In this page, we have HTML, head tag, style, background colors, and we have break tags, and we have declared it. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, stop sharing, Nitesh. Thank you. Now we'll again go for another card. Any other student wanted to select a card?
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I want to select a friend's book topic, ma'am.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on video. Where is your ID? Turn on.
Yeah. I'm going to explain creating HTML web page using HTML forms. Let's come to the description. In this project, created a web page using HTML This web page based on HTML forms, and HTML form is used to collect user input. The form element tag is used for HTML forms. The forms element is a container of different types of input elements, such as checkbox, radio, submit button, and etc. Let's come to the code for this friends book topic. First, we have to give header part for the programming, and then let's come to the border, and then I assigned that image in the center of the page. So I gave div align center. Then I assigned image. Again, I gave a image. Then I gave a heading friends book in H1 for labeling different questions what I formed for friends book. In this first label, I used your name, and for that I gave input type text. In text, we can get information from the user what is his or her name, and then label 2, a nickname for me. Then I gave for that also input type text. Then label 3, I gave have you ever lied to me? In that I used input type radio. In radio, from multiple choices, we can select. I fourth one. I gave how do you feel when you talk to me? For that, I gave radio input type. And then for fifth one, do you like to go with on a road trip with me? In that, I gave again input type. Input type, I gave checkbox. Checkbox is used for select multiple options from given options. And then I gave the best moment in our friendship. In that, I gave input type, close the body and close the HTML. This is what the expected output we got from this code. The summary, you can create web pages like registration forms for creating password textbooks to login for collect user information in our web pages as per require. Thank you.
Thank you, students. Thank you for participating in this pedagogy activity. I thank you all.